Hi everyone, my name is Lipita Priya with NPM 2341195 from class Accounting 23A. Okay, in this video, I will explain about the material is cognitive bias in accounting decision. Okay, definition of cognitive bias. Cognitive bias are systematic tendencies in thinking that cause individuals to evaluate information in a manner that is not entirely objective and rational. This bias arises due to limitation in cognitive ability, experience, and the influence of emotion and perception, causing people to often make decisions based on certain assumptions or job patterns. In the context of accounting, cognitive bias can influence how information is processed and interpreted, which ultimately impact the quality of the decision made. Bias in accounting. In accounting, bias can affect various critical processes ranging from the preparation of financial statement and the interpretation of data to decision making. Individuals such as accountant or manager are often influenced by their perception, interest, experience, or certain pleasure, making them unable to access information completely objectively. This can lead to distortion in financial statement or suboptimal decision. Therefore, awareness of the existence of bias is crucial to ensure that accounting information remains accurate and reliable. Cause of bias. 1. Limited information. Bias often arises because the available information is incomplete or insufficient. In such situation, individuals tend to fill in the gap with assumption or personal experience, resulting in decisions that might be less objective and inaccurate. And the last, time pressure. When faced with tight deadline, individuals tend to make decisions quickly without in-depth analysis. This increases the likelihood of using mental shortcuts heuristics that can lead to bias. The influence of emotion. Emotions such as stress, anger, or overconfidence can affect how a person evaluates information. Decisions made under emotional conditions are often irrational and carry a higher rate of error. And the last, past experience. Past experience can set certain decision-making patterns, while experience can be helpful. Over-reliance on past experience can cause individuals to overlook new, more relevant information, thereby creating bias. Types of cognitive bias. Overconfidence. Overconfidence is a bias in which a person is overly confident in their own abilities or judgment, leading them to believe that the decisions they make are infallibly correct. In accounting, this can cause individuals to estimate risks or disagree additional information, ultimately increasing the likelihood of error. And anchoring. Anchoring is the tendency to rely too heavily on initial of information. The anchor, when making decision in accounting context, initial figure or for estimate often become the primary when harm eventual such data may not be the most accurate, thereby influencing subsequent judgment. And the last, confirmation bias. Confirmation bias is the tendency to seek out and place greater trust in information that support one's own belief while disregarding conflicting information. In accounting, this bias can cause individuals to lack objectivity when evaluating data, resulting in less accurate decisions. How to reduce bias using objective data? Relying on accurate, fact-based data helps reduce the influence of subjectivity in decision making. By using clear, measurable information, decisions become more rational and are not based solely on assumption or feeling. And team discussion. Involving others in the decision-making process can provide different perspectives and reduce individual bias. Team discussion also help test ideas and identify weakness in a decision before it is made. And the last, evaluating alternatives. Thoroughly assessing various options before making a decision helps avoid focusing on just one option. By comparing the pros and cons of each alternative, the decision made will be more objective and appropriate. Conclusion: overall, cognitive bias in accounting decision indicates that the information processing process does not always proceed rationally because it is influenced by human limitation, situational pressure, emotion, and experience. Bias such as overconfidence, anchoring, and confirmation bias can lead to deviation in the preparation of report, data interpretation, and decision making. This has the potential to lower the quality of accounting information and increase the risk of error. Therefore, it is important for individuals to be aware of this bias and to implement measures such as the use of objective data, discussion, and evaluation of alternatives so that the decisions made are more accurate, objective, and reliable. Okay, thank you for watching. See you.